Hello, I'm Samuel and I've come over from Rush Media to tell you about the updated features in the new Inkee Falcon Plus. As you can see, with the new version, we can now fit easily the media mod plus a microphone on top attached in the cold shoe attachment on top of the GoPro Hero 11. So fully compatible. You've got all your mode buttons on the side here that allow you to change between the different modes, so video, photo and time lapse. So you press it once to change that mode and then press it again to start filming or start shooting. You can turn the gimbal round to do a selfie mode so the microphone's facing you, double tap it to face it forward, everything like that. Now I would say that certain modes that you would be surprised actually still work. So in this setup, as you can see, the microphone is still clear enough that you can go into that mode. So I just wanted to come on here and show you that the new Inkee Falcon Plus is definitely an improvement over the previous model. Not only do you get longer legs on the stand here, so it's more stable, the same form factor for the handle, which is great. So if you want to go smaller form factor, you can, and that is a really powerful gimbal for how small that is. But if you need more space because you want to use two hands, or you just want a bit of distance, then you can add that attachment there. And as you can see, it works perfectly well with this big heavy setup on top. If you want to know more about the features available in this gimbal and more detailed operational instructions, then check the video over on my Rush Media channel where I go into details of the previous version, which are also the same in this version. And I'd like to give one last shout out to Andy Cine for hosting this video on their channel. And if you want to see more from me, then head over to the Rush Media channel, which should be linked below. And as ever, I'll see you on the next one.